You open your laptop and boom, 10 tabs, 3 tools, 50 notifications. You're not even halfway through your coffee and your brain's already tired. Ever wish your digital life just ran itself? Well, guess what? There's an AI tool built for exactly that. Meet i10X, your personal productivity engine that thinks, automates, and executes. Let's get started, where we talk about tools that actually save time, not just promise it. Today's spotlight, i10X.ai, an AI automation hub built for smart professionals, agency owners, and entrepreneurs who don't want to waste hours doing repetitive tasks. We'll go through what it does, who it's for, its real pros and cons, pricing, and of course, is it worth your time? All right, what makes i10X different from the dozens of AI tools out there? 1. 500 plus pre-built AI tools under one roof, from content writing and video scripts to legal documents, image editing, and even SEO audits. You name it, i10X probably has a tool for it. Let's say you're launching a product. You can generate the ad copy, email blast, YouTube script, and visuals all in one place. No tab switching, no external tools. 2. Unified credit system instead of juggling subscriptions across 10 AI platforms. i10X lets you use a single credit system to access GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, and more. Imagine using ChatGPT to draft a blog post, then Claude to summarize it, and Gemini to polish the tone, all without opening a new app. 3. Smart automation workflows create powerful workflows where outputs from one tool feed into another. Need to summarize a Zoom meeting? Gives convert it into a blog, Gives then schedule it on WordPress. You can do that in minutes, not hours. 4. i10X agents. These are pre-trained role-specific AI assistants. Think of them like mini virtual employees. Need a copywriter, a legal assistant, or a video editor? There's an agent for that, already trained and ready to go. 5. Team collaboration. Built-in function like sharing folders and team separate dashboards. Make it easy to collaborate. Perfect if you're a remote team, agency owner, or startup founder. So, is it all sunshine? Not exactly. Let's talk real-world pros and cons. Pros: massive toolkit. Everything from AI writing to SEO, images, and video, all under one platform. No code workflows. You don't need to be technologist to automate complex tasks. Top-tier models, access to GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity without needing separate logins or accounts. Time saver once set up. It genuinely cuts hours off your weekly workload. Cons: mild learning curve. It can take a moment to find your flow, but once you do, it really clicks. Credit-based system. You'll need to manage how you use AI credits. Heavy users might run out faster than expected. Still evolving. Some niche tools or integrations may not be as polished yet, but overall, if you're someone who values time, efficiency, and output, i10X delivers more than most tools I've tested recently. Let's talk pricing, because this is where i10X becomes even more interesting. Basic plan, $10 month or $8 month. Billed yearly, you get 5,000 credits month, enough for casual usage. Content writing, summaries, light automation, plus plan $20 month or $16 month, billed yearly. Gives you 18,000 credits month. Great if you're producing videos, blogs, or managing multiple tasks per day. Pro plan $100 month or $80 month. Billed yearly, massive 120,000 credits month. Priority support, early access to new features, ideal for teams, agencies, or power users. Day. Also offer a 7-day free trial. No credit card needed, so you can test the waters before diving in. If i10X saves you even 3 hours a week, that's already worth more than $20, especially if you're billing clients, building content, or scaling operations. So should you ditch all your current tools and go i10X? Maybe not just yet. But if you're serious about saving time and want one platform to handle AI content, automation, and team workflows, then yes, i10X is worth a look. If it sounds like something you'd use, check out the free trial links right below. No pressure, no hype. Just explore it and see if it makes your life easier. And if this breakdown helped you, give the video a like and drop a comment. Which AI tool should I review next? Catch you in the next one.